Hi, I'm Allie, and I'm going to be doing my reassessment video for the addition algorithm. So to start with, we're just going to define what addition is, and that is when we combine two groups of known sizes, then count the resulting amount. So today we're going to be adding 273 plus 529. So what we first need to do is we're going to draw both of these numbers out into the base 10 formation block system. So we'll do with 273, so we'll have two flats, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rods, and then we'll have 3 singles. Then the next step is we're going to draw out 529. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flats, 2 rods, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 singles. So what we need to keep in mind when we are doing addition is that we can split addition into different subgroups because of the commutative property with the law of conservation. So what does this mean? This is saying that we can split each of these numbers into smaller groups. So we can do 200 from up here plus 70 from the 70 plus the 3. So that makes sense with our flats, rods, and singles. And then we can do the same thing and add 500 with our 500 flats worth right there, plus 20, which will be the rods right here, plus the 9 singles that are left over. So we have 200 plus 70 plus 3 plus 500 plus 20 plus 9. So now what we're going to do is we are going to combine the groups that are similar. So first we're going to take all of the singles, which we can see here, we can see in this section, and then we're going to add the 3 singles and the 9 singles. So what we need to do is, because this is in base 10, we can only have up to 9 singles in one place than in the singles place. So we're going to take these 9 singles plus this one last one and combine them all into one rod. So there we have 10 singles, and we'll cancel them out and then make another rod. We'll just put little dashed lines so we know that we're carrying it over. So bring this one rod up above here, and then below we know that we have 2 singles left over. So now we're going to put a 2 in the singles place. Then we need to add up all of these rods. So that will be adding up the 70 and the 20 plus the 10 that we carried over. We can just write that down there. And here we see the 7 plus the 2 plus the 1 carried over. So we know that 7 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 10. And once again, because we are in the base 10 formation, that doesn't fit into this one digit place. So what we're going to do is we will take all of these rods, because they add up to 10, and we will cancel them out. And we know that then that can carry over to be one flat. So we can draw out our next flat. A little dashed line so we know that's what we carried over, and then we know that that's adding on the 100 up in this area right here. So now we just need to add up our last numbers. So we have this 200 plus the 500 plus the 100. We can see that, and then we can just count up the flats. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we know that makes sense because 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 8, and we have that 0 in the tens place because it was equal to 0 singles, or 0 rods actually, because we canceled that out, and then we have the 2 because there are 2 singles left over. So our answer is 802, and that is how you do addition.